What the freaking heck? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and I have not posted in a month, but I'm back now. So I've been really busy with my coffee job, and it is just a super gloomy day in Los Angeles. So if lighting is bad, y'all, it's been raining the past 2 days and I cannot control that, but I have time on my hands now. So we're gonna be opening up a mystery bundle. I've had this sitting in my room for about like maybe 2 weeks now. And no, I didn't open it to get a little peek. USPS actually delivered it like this. So I don't know what's up with that. The seller actually told me that they didn't pack the accessories in a little pouch. They're just kind of like rummaging around there, and they're all totally loose and free. So fingers crossed that nothing is missing. But if you guys are familiar with my unboxing series on my channel, y'all know I have a lot of bad luck when it comes to these bundles. So now when I do buy bundles, I try to go more of like the cheaper route. So anything under $35. This bundle here was $25, and then I spent $7 on shipping. So really I came across this because it was late at night. I wanted to spend some money on Depop, so I just posted on my Instagram. If you have a Depop handle, drop it and I'll buy something from there. And then I came across Jamie's account, so let's go ahead and just pull up her Depop just so that you guys get an idea of why I even purchase something. Because usually what sways me is if you have cute things listed, I'll probably buy a bundle and risk it. So I have Jamie's Depop right over here. The first 3 listings are the mystery bundles, so we're just gonna save that till the end. I wanna show you what she has listed first. And obviously I was attracted to it just because we're seeing a lot of 90s styles. And then as we go down, we do have more like Y2K, especially with these blue flare leg pants that have the like panels down the sides. For $33, that's not bad for a pair of pants. Usually I would see something like Y2K like this, and it's Xanadu. $33, that's super good. I would already see this on like some very popular account for like $55, $65. So pretty good pricing. I've actually had my eye on this top for a really long time, and it's only $10. So it's very psychedelic. Anything with a lettuce edge trim, I absolutely adore. And Jamie, I'm just noticing, you're from Los Angeles, so I wonder if we hit up the same thrift stores. So yes, she does focus in 90s Y2K aesthetic-wise. I can say that she goes a little bit into fairy grunge when we see this little wrap top here. And what really sold me on a mystery bundle is because of this listing right here. It looks like it already sold, but it's this bustier top, Fredericks of Hollywood, my favorite lingerie brand. And then we have something like this. She does focus in a lot of color, a lot of different silhouettes, and she does pay attention to those tags to make sure that they're actually 90s or Y2K. So this one is Joestar, made in USA. Love those type of tags. So let's just go back up to her mystery bundle and see what she has listed under that. So she says she's open to any aesthetics and any sizes, so awesome, very size inclusive. And it looks like we have 3 different bundle options. And from the last time that I checked, it does look like she upped her prices, which Jamie, you know what, good for you, because so much work and effort goes behind these mystery bundles, and she only upped the price by $5. You guys, that's still very good. I know she doesn't have examples of previous mystery bundles, which usually I would be super skeptical and been like, you know what, I've learned my lesson. No, not gonna buy one. But I really like what she has listed. She has really good prices, really awesome reviews, and I don't know. I have a gut feeling that it'll be good. So let's finally get to it. Let's open up this mystery bundle. I kind of ruined it for myself. I pulled out all the accessories because they were just, you know, just swimming around the poly mailer, and you guys, these are so freaking cute. Let's just start off with these stickers. They are Spirited Away themed. Oh my gosh. Look at how freaking cute these are. I'll show you a close-up, but if you guys know me, Spirited Away is my favorite movie to begin with, my favorite Studio Ghibli movie, and I have a little no face tattoo on my arm, so these are super adorable. Absolutely love them. And then I pulled out this silver necklace. I'm trying to get more and more into accessories. I honestly wear the same earrings and the same necklaces just about every single day. So the fact that I have more, this is super nice. She gave me this little heart necklace that's just silver, pink, one of my favorite colors. What? Like, what? How is it that it matches my nails? That is so freaking good. And then to balance things out, we also got a little bit of gold. We have this little heart pendant. Oh my God, why is it so blurry? Come on. There we go. And it's just the pendant. I have a whole bunch of gold chains, so I'll probably just slip it through and wear it that way. And then we just have this classic little ring. Very minimalistic. I could just wear this as an everyday thing. The last accessory she included I can't even believe this is in here. Freaking bunny earrings. What the heck? Okay, we're blurry again, but give me a second. You guys, look at how freaking adorable. And I'm not sure if she's like super familiar with my channel, but I have a bunny that looks exactly like this earring, and he's my little dumpling boy. He is my firstborn child, and he's such a freaking angel. So you know what? I'm gonna wear these right now. Let's just get into it. So again, it should be 2 items. And ooh, okay, we're seeing some black and red, which those are 2 colors that I'm so freaking obsessed with. You guys, I just saw the detail of a top. It is so damn cute. Okay. Oh, okay, I'll save that note just for later. Oh my gosh. Okay. What the heck? Literally, what the heck? I already absolutely freaking love this. I don't know what it is because I know it's really cold, and yeah, I'm layering right now, but I don't think I like fall and colder weather anymore because I don't know how to dress for it. Majority of my wardrobe is just camisoles, tank tops, crop tops. So I absolutely love this. Okay, let's get into this top because it's red. I see a little bit of mesh. I was just talking about how I love lettuce edge trimming. And does it have a cute ass tag? It does. Look at this little 90s tag. It's the brand Viva U, made in USA. And this was a little hardware detail that I kind of got a sneak peek of. Oh, let me see. There we go. They're 2 little flowers. Kind of gives it a little retro look. We have a little keyhole cut out there. So we do have 3 items. I bought a bundle for only 2 items. I'm not sure whether she was just feeling generous and she threw in another one, but I'll read the note little later on and then I'll let you all know. And then I see something with sequins. Oh. Again, an item that if I saw at the thrift or on Depop, I would instantly buy. I am such a sucker for like tacky sequins, and this is lined with it. You know what is so freaking funny? I actually used to have a black halter top with a keyhole cutout, but I put it into a mystery bundle, and ever since I did that, I just totally regretted it because I used to wear it with everything. And now I have a new one, only this one's a little bit better because we have some sequins here. Yes. Totally love this. Let's check out this brand too. Charlotte Russe. Cannot go wrong with a little bit of Charlotte Russe. And then let's check out this third one. What are you? Oh, okay, this is cute. I don't know, I feel like I probably wouldn't pick this up at the thrift, but we can definitely make it work, make it a little bit more grungy. This is the brand Ice. I've never heard of this before. It looks like this one might fit a little bit more low rise, which I like because I'm actually on my period right now. So my stomach is like yelling for freedom because I squeeze them into these pants. So usually I stay away from like tight fitted clothes and I wear something a little bit more loose. I absolutely love these pieces. These 2, adore. This one I'm still a little iffy about, but that's what I love about mystery bundles is that other people see you in styles that you can probably totally rock, whereas you might not think so yourself. So let's go ahead and get them styled and then I'll let you know how they all fit. Come on, this shirt is so freaking cute. Put me in a girl group right now because I'm totally ready. This shirt fits like a freaking glove. I absolutely love the pointed hems that we have here. And then of course, the little dual flower charms. Now I do know why she included a third top, and it's because it actually has a little tear here, but it's a very, very easy fix on my end. So I don't mind at all because it's already such a unique silhouette. I'm just living my Y2K pop star fantasy here. I did add some low-rise pants that have a lot of like dramatic fading on the front. And then also on the back, I got these from Details Vintage on Depop. And then, can't forget, the demonias. Here we have the second top, and this is just so me in a nutshell. I love that it's like very sexy, but it's not revealing. It also has like a little hint of tackiness with all the sequins. But the cutout here is a little bit bigger than I would like, but I love that we're not like showing a lot of cleavage or boobs. I know I was really so freaking stubborn, and I'm so glad so many of you guys told me like, go out and buy yourself some nip pasties? Nip pasties. The little stickers that go over your nipples, because imagine all of the bra straps and bra that I would be showing if I didn't have them. So I love how like sleek it is. The only thing that I don't necessarily like, and it's not about the shirt, it's more about like it highlighting one of my insecurities, is my broad shoulders. I feel like it doesn't look too feminine. But other than that, paired it with a little mini skirt, some tights, and demonias. Here we have the last fit, and we're dealing with this skirt that I wasn't totally into, but then I realized, let me turn it a bit. We have a little slit going on here. I kind of wish it were higher. I just want to like rip it. I feel like if anything, I'm feeling very much like a villain, but still think it's really cute. Let's go on to my final thoughts now. But you guys, that pretty much does it for unboxing a Depop mystery bundle. If you liked any of the items, let me know down below because I actually loved every single piece, from like the jewelry to the clothes. I usually do give a little rating at the end of each video, and you guys probably already know I'm gonna give a 10 out of 10 because I was pleasantly surprised with every piece, and I know that I'll be wearing everything too. So if you do want to support Jamie, I'm gonna leave her Depop right up here and also down below in the description box. So again, she does have 3 different style options. The one I got was 2 items for $30 and shipping. And not gonna lie, but because I've done mystery bundles myself too, I know how much hard work, stress, and love goes behind everyone just to perfect them. So in my opinion, I feel like she might be selling herself short. So go ahead and get a box while you still can. But if there is one thing to take away from this video, is that if you are gonna buy a mystery bundle, whether it be from Jamie or someone else on Depop, is to go in with an open mind and set healthy expectations with these mystery bundles, just because, again, the sellers can't read our minds and they can't pinpoint exactly what we want. So just provide a helpful amount of visual references, whether it's your Depop likes, a Pinterest board, just to help them out. But as always guys, I do post videos at least once a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!